Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you guys kind of the difference between the two digitals. So this is the classic one and this is the pastel one. And here you can see the difference. This one is obviously going to go better with like that classic look. And this pastel one, I really wanted to be able to use like different pinks with it. I mean, you can use this also, but I just think that this will look so much better in a pastel journal. So I actually edited all or a lot of these images from the classic Angels digital, and I didn't use all of them because not all of them looked good as a pastel, but I wanted to show you guys kind of the difference. And so if they were lighter tones like these ones, you can see those are pretty close, but still this has, let's see, this has like lighter tones. It's got like pinker tones, and this is it has like a little bit of yellowish tones. Okay, and so here's these ones. You can see the difference there. And again, this one. So I really love them both, which is why I included both digitals in my shop, because I think they both have their place. Like, you can go either way. And I think they're both so pretty, I just wanted to include them. So, and then even these guys, the verses, let's see. So these are pretty close. Okay, and then you can see, let's see, some of these. So that's a pretty big difference. So yeah, and now the pastel kit will have a few different ones than the classic. So you'll have to kind of look at the way they look. These are the different ones I'm showing you right now. And again, this one I believe is in both of the kits. Let's see. So for the classic one, this is the classic one, and so you have some of these. They're just more vintage looking. Okay, now we're back to this one. I'll set these aside. Okay, so then these, again, you'll see the difference. So yeah, I wanted to make sure I showed you guys so you can kind of see a visual difference with them next to each other. And like I said, I love them both. I think that they're both